Did you know that the Dubai Mall, a spectacular shopping destination in the United Arab Emirates, occupies a massive total land area, making it the second largest mall in the world, and that in 2011, it was the most visited building on the planet? Quite astounding, isn't it? Now let's rewind the clock to 2008, when the Dubai Mall first opened its doors. Its inception marked a momentous occasion, setting new standards in retail and lifestyle experiences. With over 502,000 square meters of retail floor area and more than 1,200 shops, the mall rapidly became a global attraction, drawing in millions of visitors annually. Over the years, the Dubai Mall has continually evolved, adding more features to its impressive portfolio. In 2013, the mall underwent a significant expansion to accommodate even more visitors. This expansion not only increased the mall's size, but also amplified its appeal as a must-visit destination. Today, the mall is not just a shopping paradise, it's an entire world of entertainment and luxury. It houses a 250-room luxury hotel, 22 cinema screens, 120 restaurants and cafes, and a multitude of unique attractions, including the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, the Dubai Ice Rink, and the Emirates A 380 experience. But that's not all. The Dubai Mall is also home to the Dubai Dino, a genuine fossil of a Diplodocus dinosaur, and a replica of the Dubai Creek Tower. With such a diverse range of offerings, it's no surprise that the mall attracts over 100 million visitors each year, making it the most visited retail and lifestyle destination in the world. In summary, the Dubai Mall, which was originally known as the Dubai Mall until 2023, has come a long way since its inception in 2008. From being a premier shopping destination to evolving into a world-class entertainment and lifestyle hub, the mall has consistently raised the bar in terms of retail experiences. With its impressive list of attractions, a vast array of shops, and a host of dining options, it continues to captivate and entertain millions of visitors from around the globe each year. The Dubai Mall, a symbol of Dubai's growth and ambition, truly embodies the essence of the city, a place where tradition meets innovation and where dreams become reality.